Suppose there was no such thing as an inmate on the job as in a dead man, and your so-called restrained education had to take over, be it much or little. Could you manufacture, construct, place, organize into proper groups, classify different kinds of cells, such as muscular, ligamentous, cartilaginous, glandular, osseous, visceral, hair follicles, finger and toenail substances, set aside certain kinds of male and female sex organs, and consistently organize all of them into systems, coordinate them into one harmonious baby boy and baby girl, child of the child, century after century, five-bedded quadruped, start them running and keep them going smoothly, oiling all parts, keeping down friction, rebuilding and replacing worn parts, and do this all in 280 days. If your vast education could not construct one tissue cell or direct its function, how could your education construct 400 trillion of them and direct all functions simultaneously, which course through them continuously? All of this, educated man frankly admits he cannot do until some parts or parts get sick, and then everything is reversed. Now, suddenly, the doctor is a great magician. He can bring healthy rabbits out of a sterile silk hat, plaster conglomerate things on the outside, rub something on the skin, inject multiple concoctions in buttocks, take endless kinds of pills in the mouth, apply any one of 1,000 stimulative or inhibitor treatments to body, and presto changeo, external changes, internal sickness to health, from abnormal to normal, all because of what he did. If you educationally can do none of these things, why blow up and brag about your massive egotistic education and play down as insignificant the innate intelligence that's inside your body? If innate does all these things to perfection it does, why should infinitesimal education coax, cajole, wheedle, flatter, suggest, urge, whip, delude, deceive, goad, stimulate, inhibit, or command innate to do what it does, where it does, when it does, how it does, why it does, when education is admittedly incapable? So why do we do what we do? Because there's little kids that come into our practices, and those little kids are in desperate need of our help.